Hello my students, get ready to guess the animal sounds. Prepare your earphones.
Let's go to the farm. Let's go to the farm to figure out how the animals sound. Come on, let's go to the farm. Let's go to the farm to figure out how the animals sound. The chicken goes bark, 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 bark. The cow goes moo, moo, moo. The dogs go woof, 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 woof. The duck goes quack, 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 quack. The cat goes meow, meow, meow. The rabbit goes drum, 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 drum. The chips go ba, 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 ba. The pig goes bzz, 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 bzz. This is how the farm animals sound.
Hi my friends, let's guess the animal sounds together. Listen carefully. Which animal sound is this? Good job, this is the cow sound. Which animal sound is this? Excellent! This is the hen sound. And now, which animal sound is this? Good job, this is the dog sound. Which animal sound is this? Great, this is the cat sound. Which animal sound is this? Wow, this is the horse sound. Which animal sound is this? Good job, this is the sheep sound. Your task is to name the animals, then imitate the sound of the animal that you like. Today, we have learned about the animal sounds. I am waiting for your great work. Goodbye.